Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a landing page in Figma. First, open Figma and create a new file. Set up your artboard with common web dimensions, like 1440 pixels wide. Next, define the goal of your landing page and who you are trying to reach. This helps guide your design choices. Finally, establish a grid system and consistent spacing, perhaps using an 8-pixel grid, to maintain visual harmony throughout your layout. Now, let's focus on the core design elements. Begin by crafting a powerful hero section that immediately grabs attention with a clear headline and a prominent call to action button. Integrate high-quality images or illustrations that resonate with your message. Ensure your content is concise and easy to digest. Select a maximum of 2 to 3 fonts and a consistent color scheme to reinforce your brand identity and improve readability. Moving on to interactivity and responsiveness. Design interactive components such as clickable buttons, input forms, and a clear navigation menu. Think about how users will engage with these elements. Crucially, ensure your landing page is responsive, meaning it looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Use Figma's auto layout features to help with this. Finally, prototype your design to simulate the user experience and identify any areas for improvement. Before launching, thoroughly review your landing page for overall clarity, usability, and visual appeal. Check for any inconsistencies or areas that might confuse users. Gather feedback from others and be prepared to iterate on your design based on their insights. Small adjustments can make a big difference in conversion rates. Once you are confident, prepare your assets for development. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.